Hi everyone, welcome to ITeePK. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to sync files and folders to Microsoft OneDrive. In this digital age, ensuring your documents, memories, and photos are completely backed up and up to date is crucial. Microsoft OneDrive provides convenient and reliable solutions for syncing your files, memories, and folders across the devices. So we can say that if your OneDrive is up to date and properly syncing to the cloud, your data will be available anytime and on any device and will be safe all the time. Before diving, don't forget to subscribe ITPK so that you never miss an update. So before get started, if you haven't already, you need to create a free Microsoft account that will use to connect to your OneDrive. So as you have seen in the file explorer, I have clicked on OneDrive and it's asking me to log in with my email account. Let me log in to my email account. Okay, let's click next. I don't want to send optional data to Microsoft. Let's accept. Here, OneDrive is showing me that your folder's location will be here in your file explorer. I can also change the location here, but I will keep the default location. Let's click next. Okay, now and OneDrive is asking me to choose the folder to get them backed up. So let's click next. Again, click next, 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 and we are done here. I don't want to go with the mobile app right now. Let's click on later. And let's go ahead and click on open my OneDrive folder. Once I will click on open my OneDrive folder, this will open my OneDrive folder in the file explorer, right? And I can see here that my OneDrive is connected and I got all my files here that are backed up into OneDrive. Please note that most of the time Windows devices have OneDrive pre-installed and you just need to go ahead and logged in as I did here. And once you sign in into your OneDrive, you will see OneDrive in the File Explorer along with other shortcuts where you will also have this PC shortcut. So now I am in my OneDrive folder and this indicates that now you can sync your files and folders to OneDrive. For demonstration purposes, let's go ahead and create the new file on my desktop. I want to create a Word file, OneDrive test. I want to name it OneDrive test, and I can see here the tick mark, and this file is getting synced to my OneDrive. And also, I can see this tick mark with my other folder that are getting synced to the OneDrive cloud. If I came here, I can see that OneDrive test documents get synced from my desktop automatically 18 seconds ago. So this is because my desktop folder is also set to get synced. But if you don't want to get synced your desktop folder, you can come to OneDrive here, go to settings, again go to settings, and here go to manage backup, and we don't want to back up our desktop here. Let's go ahead and disable desktop. Here you go. I stopped my desktop from getting backed up to OneDrive. Let's close it. Let's say I want this test documents to be backed up from my file explorer folder of OneDrive. Let's go ahead and drag it and drop it here. Now this is getting backed up to my OneDrive from the file explorer. See here, test documents. Okay, now let's go ahead and let me show you. If I click on OneDrive here and then I will go to settings. Again, I want to go to settings, and here I want to show you that I have disabled my desktop from getting sync earlier if you have seen. Here we have option to get synced our documents, picture, desktop, music or videos folder. We can just enable them from here. But before enabling, make sure that you have enough storage to get these folders backed up to your OneDrive. As I am using this OneDrive totally free, so I have only 5 GB of storage here. So from here, you could select folders to get synced. Also, if you go to account option here and you will find your email that is synced with OneDrive. From here, we can select that choose what you want to be available in your OneDrive folder. These files will be available on demand. Like if I select any of these folders to make them available on my computer while OneDrive is getting synced to the cloud, and the location will be this folder here: C user, Zubair, Riaz and OneDrive. If you wanna make all these folders to be available on your Explorer, you can go ahead and select them and click OK. So these folder will be available in here in the file explorer of your OneDrive. You can see attachments, desktop, documents, and all of them. If you want to remove any of them, let's go ahead and choose folder. And let's say I want to disable the attachment folder here, and attachment is gone from here. Please note that a constant internet access is required for OneDrive to work properly. If you encounter any issues with your OneDrive, make sure you are connected to a good internet. You can check the OneDrive status by hovering over your mouse on the taskbar here, and this will show you that OneDrive is up to date. You are now equipped with the knowledge on how to sync OneDrive files and folder effortlessly to the cloud. And the last and important thing I want to show you, if you want to view your OneDrive in the cloud, let's click on this icon and go ahead and click on View Online. This will show you your OneDrive files and folders that are synced to the cloud. My files, and here you go. So that's it about today's simple, to the point, and quality tutorial on how to sync files and folders to OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe ITeePK. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.